Okay, let it roll slowly.
Clear on my side, keep coming back.
Have you checked this wire harness? It looks frayed.
Oh, the diagnostic readings were fine, but it might be intermittent.
I can wiggle the harness and see if the signal changes.
I'm getting an anomaly right here by the brake booster line.
The connection looks compromised. See the residue.
Confirmed. We'll need to pull it for a closer look.
How's that frame rail looking on your end?
It's mostly solid, but we've got some heavy scaling right here by the mount. Undercarriage and exhaust are solid. Brakes are within spec. Tires checked out good. If we follow this procedure for the frame alignment, we should be within tolerance.
Yeah. That matches the specs on the tablet. Let's go ahead and start the prep work there.
Make sure that distributor bolt is tight.
Yeah, I got it torqued down now.
Right here, this gasket is completely shot.
All right, let's get it replaced today. We can't wait for the weekend.
I agree, I'll grab the new one from storage.
We need to reinforce this section right here on the cross member.
Yeah. Just finished grinding that spot. It should hold up fine now.
I think we start disassembly right here at the front clip.
Agreed. Then move to the rear axle mounts next week.